are at Michael's. They opened in my area. I'm so excited. So let's see what they have, guys. So we already have a 50% off on the 4th of July items. So let's just take a look, guys. I can't reach up there. They have a God Bless. I think it says God Bless America sign. Then they have this Home of the Brave. That's $10. And it's 50% off, guys. So it's God Bless America, My Home Sweet Home. That's $15. And they have this home sign over here. I don't want to knock that over. So they have this huge one over here that says welcome. Okay, guys, and then that one is $39.99. And then this beautiful one for outside. Not sure where the price is, but it's absolutely beautiful, guys. Very tall. So then they have this pillow. Look at that, the red truck. It's $24.99, guys, for that pillow. Then you have this flag pillow, and that is also $24.99. And this one too is $24.99. That one says Bless Our Home. Then you have these cans along the bottom and these items down here. Let me see. That one is $19.99 for this size. So this size, it says $29.99. But those are beautiful, guys. So then you have this, then you have the stars. These are $7.99. Then you have these jars right here and the God Bless America. Here you have the calendar blocks, guys, and the welcome sign. And here's the star up there. Jump in the water and play a game. So these are like little blocks you play with. So then these cans, watering cans over here, are $19.99, 50% off. That's a lot of money for those cans. So these blocks right here, which I'm absolutely loving, they look like dice. So these are $19.99, 50% off. Then they have this sign here, relax and unwind. You're on patio time. I like that. And then look at these, guys. Aren't these nice? $8.99. Those are nice. And then they have these, $29.99. They have the flag over there. Half of that is galvanized metal. That's really pretty, guys. Then they have these wooden boxes, crates, $19.99. I don't know if that includes the one that's inside. No, it doesn't. So the smaller sizes cost less. So that sign of the United States is $29.99, guys. Then you have these trays. Then you have those cubes that you sit on, guys. Here you have some mason jars. What is that? These are LED. And then you have that picnic ground, and then you have the mason jar, and then I love these. These are so nice, guys. Then you have, this is what you have here. So this is all 4th of July items, guys. Let's go around the corner and see what they have. Here's your aisle with the succulents, and I'm loving that wreath. It's so pretty. So these little decor, looks like boxwood. So these are $10, guys, for these. Then you have these succulent little tiny arrangements. Look how pretty that is. So it's really thin though. So these are $20. Then you have this one. Very pretty, guys. And then the little tiny ones are $2, but they're very tiny. So that's all their succulents, and I'm loving these things right here. Look at this one. This is so pretty, guys. I love those. And you have 60% off all of your greenery. So that's all of this stuff right here. That's very pretty right there. Then you have these faux plants here, and these are $9.99, guys. Then I'm loving these planters. Okay, and these right here, this black one is so nice. So those are $25. And then these right here are $49.99, guys. Then you have some plants up there. Look at that, you have some orchids. Aren't these orchids beautiful? So the orchid stem is $14.99, guys. But I think it's 60% off. guys. I'm afraid to look at the price. $34.99. Okay, that's not bad. 60% off of that. But they're so pretty, aren't they? They're made of succulents. Tags say so. These are $9.99 for this little bunch here, and it's 60% off of that. And they come in with this pink and this purple right here. Isn't that purple beautiful, guys? And then, yeah, these are so gorgeous. Beautiful. Let me show you the lanterns, guys. Beautiful. Then they have all of the florals on this side. So we're just going to kind of go through them quickly. So they have the lemon trees and the wreaths. Everything seems to be 60% off, guys. Then they have the lemon wreath over there. Here's the lemon tree. That's the swag right there. And here is the lemon garland. So these are $24.99, but I don't know if those are 60% off. They should be. Then they have 60% off of these. Aren't they pretty? Guys, these are so beautiful. Then they have, here the galvanized metal plates. But I think they sell, I don't know if they sell these individual. And here's the white ones. And then they have some planters over here. I didn't miss anything. I'm so excited. Okay, so it seems like everything that was here before they closed is still here. How much is this candy dish? $14.99, guys. I love the candy dish. So, then they have all of their lavender flowers over here. And some more down that aisle. So let's see what's over here, guys. So now, here's the clearance, the Easter clearance, guys. So let's see, this is 90% off the ticketed price. So if this is $44.99, guys, it's 90% off. This says Faith. How much is the Faith? 90% off. So this is $19.99. And then look, if you remember her. I don't know if you guys remember her. Look at this one. She's beautiful. So this is a lamb. Who's hiding behind the sign. Okay, and I'm loving these chargers. So the chargers are $4.99 for that. For that print, they must be all $4.99. And then this sign here says Easter blessings, and there's the stake. And here's the faux wood. And these are all $4.99, guys. And they have this style. And then these are the plates. I love these plates. Guys, I think these are squishies. Yeah, they are. And those are the Easter eggs. I think I showed that to you before. And then look at the wreaths. So pretty much everything on this side is 90% off. Look at this Easter egg wreath. It's not pretty. Look at that. And here's the carrots. Very, very nice, guys. Then on this side is 60% off, but this is summer stuff. I'm loving that. Look at this. It says beach, please. There's the donuts, paper plates. And then look at the flamingo cups and the beach ball inflatables. And look at this, guys. Look at these plastic little serving bowls. They're so pretty. And I love the shapes. And then these runners, table runners here, have the tassels. And then you have your buckets in all colors down here. And look at the pineapple tray and the pineapple tumblers. And look at the tiger. And this is the watermelon. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this cup. This is so cute. Okay, guys, so here you have some inflatables. Very nice, guys, and a lot of beach stuff over here. So, guys, thank you for coming with me to Michael's to check out their decor. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Well, guys, you know what? Let's take a look over here in this one section before we go. Okay, there's your faux plants up there. They're $29.99. Now, over here it says 60% off. I'm loving this basket. And I'm loving these. Look how nice. These are so nice. Let's see. These This is $9.99, and that's $16.99. Then you have these. Very nice, guys. And I'm absolutely loving these, guys. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Then you have these. I'm loving this stuff here. So Wild and Free pillows. And those are $29.99. And you have Chase the Sun up there and these succulent wall hangings. Gorgeous, gorgeous, guys. Then you have these rugs. I don't know how much these are, but these faux succulents or wall hanging flowers are so nice. And then look, I didn't notice these before. So these are $10 each in metal, and they come in those colors. And then these, I think, are like that pressed wood, painted, and the florals and cactus. How much are these? I'm trying to look at the tag. $14.99 for each initial. Then you have that stuff right there. Here's the globes, the plant. I'm liking this. This is really nice, guys, for home decor. Look at the elephant. So pretty, guys. So this is $34.99. These look like a little diamond shape. And look at the stones and the faux plants. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Michael's to check out their home decor. And I will see you guys in another video.